Be the envy of your friends in this 2010 Audi Q7.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle.
Get more for your money with a car that features dependability and low kilometres.
With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission.
Make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, a CD player, audio input for your iPod, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Savour your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.